Good morning, students. Today, to start with our topic entrepreneur journey, we'll start with elements of business plan. Now, elements of business plan. What is a business plan? Business plan is for any success. The plan must define the objective strategies, customer scenario, market segment, products and services to be offered, sales forecast, and steps required to attainment of the objective. The plan should describe description, distribution system, promotional activities, and price decisions. Now, proposed business plan. First of all, general introduction will be there. In that, name and address of the business. What is the name of the business? What is the address of registered office? Then name and address of the entrepreneur. Then stakeholders of the business. Who are the stakeholders? Then nature of business and customer. Whether it's trading business, whether it's manufacturing, which type of manufacturing business is it, and what type of customer you want to. Now next is your proposed business plan. Another business venture is there. Then products to be offered, service service or services to be offered, scale of business operation, whether it's small, mid size or large size. Type of technology, whether you are using it's labor oriented or capital oriented. Then type of skilled personnel required, what type of personnel you require. Then next is your organized plan. Under this form of ownership, sole proprietorship, partnership or joint stock company, whether it's a sole proprietorship, whether it's a partnership or whether it's a joint stock company, which type of form of organization is it. Then identification of business associated partners, who are the partners, associated partners, who are the associated members. Then administrative, what is your administrative structure, identification of management team. So these are all in organization. Then production plan, detail of manufacturing process. What is the type, which type of manufacturing process you are using. Physical infrastructure, what type of building, land you have. Type of plant and machinery, what type of plant you have, what type of machinery you have. Raw material, which type of standard size of raw material to be used. Requirement of power, water, etc. Then next is human resource plan. Under human resource plan, we will categorize human resources or staff required, human resources already identified, from where you will get the human resource. Then human resource required to be procured, how you procure the human resource, and time framework for procurement of human resource. Then next is your marketing plan. Under this, products and services offered, pricing policy. What is your pricing policy? There are different pricing like skimming, penetration, variable price, which type of policy you have. Then promotion, how you will promote your product, whether it's a personal selling will be there, sale promotion will be there, or advertisement will be there. Then logistic and distribution, how you will distribute the product. Then channel of distribution, what will be the channel, 0 level, 1 level, 2 level, 3 level, which type of distribution you will have. Now next is your financial plan. Under this, break-even analysis. Break-even analysis means it is a point where there is no loss, no profit. It means cost revenue is equal to cost of production. Then fixed capital requirement. How much fixed capital required? Fixed capital is a capital which is required for a longer period of time. Working capital is which is required to meet day-to-day expenses. Then sources of capital, whether you will raise from equity share, financial institution, debentures. Then schedule of procurement of capital. The schedule of procurement of how you procure the asset, and cash flow position of the projection. What will your cash flow, what will your inflow, and what will your outflow of the project. Then miscellaneous or appendix. Then market research report. Then your contract with vendors. What are your contract with vendors? How they will supply the material. Contract with financial institution. Type of business risk. Then contingency plan. Thank you.